The Vivo's sub-brand iQOO has launched its new Neo series phone in China called iQOO Neo 9S Pro, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO Neo 9S Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the iQOO Neo 9S Pro sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX920 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5160 mAh battery, with 120 watts ultra-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, with Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.53 by 75.68 by 8.34 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Neo 9S Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Pearl White, Star Night Black, and Red plus White color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Neo 9S Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.